Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you if you can delete Coinbase account. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Let's begin! So the first thing that you want to do is to go to your favorite web browser and then search for "Can you delete Coinbase account?" And then right here we can see the answer. We can actually permanently close your account, but we can only do that through web browser. And you have to remember that your account must be a zero balance before it can be closed. So now to close your account, just select the close account near the bottom of the profile page. So go to your profile page and there you can see the close account. Just tap on that. And that's it. It's just simple and easy. Try it now. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.